So I'm sitting here finishing my hike, and as I was finishing up, I asked Spirit if there was anything else I should see. And I'm going to turn around to see if I can. I don't know if you could see, up in that tree is a woodpecker. And I've always had a really strong connection to woodpeckers. And I have been sitting here for just crying, actually. I mean, it was like I was on a different part of this trail. And I had asked Spirit, reveal what else I supposed to experience before I leave. And I hear this woodpecker chirping in the background. And I just kind of walked slowly and I'm just watching. I don't know how to identify if it's a male or female, so I'm going to say him or her. Just going down, getting all the dead wood off so it can eat. You know, I was crying. like crying. And that sound is just, I hope, I'm not sure if you can hear it, but I mean, it just keeps gnawing away, you know? Woodpeckers' heads their skulls are so strong to be able to handle the power that they use in order to get into those trees and get their food and build nests. And empty woodpeckers' nests provide shelter for other animals too. It's not just it's definitely more than 5 minutes, maybe just shy of 10. My favorite part when I go hiking is when I ask. And then I get gifts like this. A lot of my guides definitely show up as animals, which is a blessing. he's still going to town. This is so fun. I can just stand here forever. And honestly, I can't remember the last time that I have had an experience with a woodpecker this close for so long. And the interesting thing is it chirped for maybe like the first few minutes and it's not chirping no more. Man, ask for help because it comes. I needed to share this experience. Alright, I gotta turn the camera off because my hand is cold again. It's pretty chilly out, but may you always have peace and love in your heart. I'll tell you, all you gotta do is ask and the universe does provide. Or higher power, whichever you choose to call it. Or God, or whatever. Whatever feels right for you. For me, I call it universe. Enjoy the woodpecker. Enjoy your day. And gifts and messages are always everywhere. May you always be blessed.